Pixelmator, Pixelmator Pro, Photoshop, all of those types of digital imaging applications allow you to use a feature called layer blending. And using that technique, blending your layers in different ways, you can achieve some really cool effects. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So go ahead and open up the application and create a new document. I'm just going to go with default and say OK. And then what you can do is either copy paste or drag and drop, bring in the two pictures that you want to combine, and you can kind of transform, resize them, make them fill the space. So there's one of flowers. Here's one of some fish in an aquarium, super random, but it will get the job done. And you can see there's like a little bit of extra space on the side. I don't really want that there, so I'm going to go ahead and crop that out. Find your crop tool and crop off the bit that you don't need. Enter, return. And then just kind of experiment with the different ones. So you can see over here I've got my layers. I've selected the top one out of the layers. And then down here where it says normal, this is where the different blending modes live. So you can kind of just like hover over them to see what kind of effect you can get with each one. Some of them are really awful looking and some of them don't really do much, but chances are you probably will find at least one that you like, one that looks pretty cool. So let's just see. Okay, all kinds of interesting things. They just make the two different layers combine in various ways. Oh no. Okay, do I like any of these? I'm gonna go with I don't know. Okay, let's go with this one. So let's say this is it. I'm happy with it. This is what I want. So now you can go File, Export, and I like PNG. So we'll say flowers and fish. All right. And then now that PNG file is in a format that I can share on the web. It might be a good idea also to save this Pixelmator document here. Flowers and fish, just in case later I want to make any changes. I have all of my layers separate here, and I can do that if I need to.